happy Saturday. Today I thought I'd bring you along for a day of running errands. I'm going to go to the range because there's a new range and I've seen that they've got some really good stuff in, so I'm going to head there. I'm also going to do a little Sainsbury's trip for some new spring clothes because my wardrobe at the minute is just not it. But first things first, I am going to hoover my room because it is a disgrace. And yeah, thought I'd bring you with me. I'm out the shower, I'm looking rough as, and I'm just getting ready to go out. So I'm doing my skincare and my makeup first. I've done my makeup. And now I'm just doing my hair. Oh my god, that was not meant to happen. After that catastrophe, I've slicked my hair back the best I can do because I need to go. I'm in the car, loaded up, ready to go. I've actually put the seats down because I know I'm going to be getting quite a bit from the range. So I've put the seats down in preparation for that. And yeah, I'm so excited. So let's go. So I've arrived at the range and it's so busy because the weather's nice and it's also a Saturday, I think. So everybody has decided to come. Oh, here she is, the new range. Okay, so I'm back in the car. This is the current situation. I got some gorgeous lamps, which I will show you when I get home. We'll do a bit of a haul. I have arrived at Sainsbury's. I'm getting stuff for a cake that I'm making this afternoon, and I'm going to have a mooch around the clothes and also the home section. So, very excited. Also, I'm kind of wishing I did put a summer dress on because it is actually like 17 degrees right now and I am sweating. Okay, I've just come out of Sainsbury's. It wasn't great, it was a little bit disappointing to be fair, but I did get what I needed for baking. I also picked up this, which I've not tried before. It's Jimmy's iced coffee in the caramel flavour. I've never tried a Jimmy's one before. I usually get a Starbucks one, but they were super expensive. Quite strong, actually. But still really good. Okay, so I'm back home. I've got all my ingredients out, ready to make the cake. I'm making Mary Berry's malted chocolate cake for a charity event tomorrow. So I have got my ingredients out and the KitchenAid, and I'm ready to go.